Okay, figured I'm just going to make a quick video to show you how to create new towers in the game mode I created for Garry's mod called Zen Killers. Just as a quick background, what a tower is, it's a list of weapons that you're going to have to go through in order to win the game, basically. So first thing we want to do is we want to actually go into sandbox mode. And the reason we want to go into sandbox mode is because sandbox mode uh, when you're in it, you have access to all your modded weapons, which is what's great about Zen Killers, is you just need to use your modded weapons or any built-in weapons to build a tower. You don't have to. There are no weapons included in the game, and you don't have to download special weapon packs specifically for the mode. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to pop open our weapons list, and then we're just going to take a look at some of these weapons, and we can add literally any of these. So if I wanted to build a tower, I want to start on something easy. So we can just pick weapons from Counter-Strike or from Half-Life. So let's do that. Let's start with the standard Half-Life pistol. We're going to hit copy to clipboard. And then what we're going to do is we want to navigate to our Garry's mod folder. So just find it. It's probably in your Steam library folder. If you don't know how to get there, what we do is we just go to Steam, we right click, hit manage, browse local files, and it should open up, right? There we want to navigate to Garry's mod, data, and then you want to look for a folder called Zen Killers. If you don't have it, just right click. So say we don't have this. We just right click here, hit new folder, and call it Zen Killers. Now inside this folder it might be empty, or it might have a file called default.txt. That's fine. Just create a new text file here. And name it whatever you want your tower to be named. It can be named anything as long as it's not default, right? So let's call this one video, because I'm going to be making it for the video. And just open it up, Notepad, it's fine. And then if we hit paste, we'll see, oh, this is the name. There are two types of weapon names. There's the class name, which is how the game knows what it's called. And there's the weapon name, which is what we want it to be called in the game. So here, when I hit copy to clipboard, it actually copies the class name, the in-game name of this weapon, onto my clipboard, and then I can do what I do is then I hit comma, and then I type what I want it to be called in my game. So I'm going to call it just pistol. That's fine. All right, and then once we get past the pistol, it'd be fun to use the crowbar, but I'd rather use something more interesting, maybe from one of my mods here. Let's see. What about this machete? Or what about this harpoon? Let's do that. So we'll copy to clipboard and then paste that in there, and then give it a name, harpoon. And then and you can go from any mod, really. So we can even go, let's go to Harry Potter. Let's just grab a Harry Potter wand. I don't know if you can actually kill people with the Harry Potter wand, so we're going to hope that we can get past that point. Let's just call it magic wand. All right, so once you have something like this, you've built... This is your tower. This is a short tower, only 3 weapons, and then the knife, which makes 4. So we'll get through this one pretty quick. Just save that there. And then you can close this, and then you want to just go back to the main menu of Garry's mod. Switch to Zen Killers mode. And then we're going to start a new server here. Let's make it 8 players. I'll make it local just so nobody joins in. And then for tower name, you just want to write whatever you called that file without the extension. So without the .txt. We'll just call it video and hit start game. And voila. So we're starting with this pistol. You see up next is my harpoon, right? So here, let me spawn a bot. And I'll go shoot him in the face. Alright, and now we've got the harpoon. Oh, God. Alright, got him. Alright, I got the Harry Potter wand. Now, it's been a while since I've watched Harry Potter, but I remember that the curse to kill people... Oh, here, Incendio. Shouldn't that lights them on fire, right? Let's see. I wonder if that... There we go. Let's hope he burns to death. Oh, come on. Let's see, what else do we got? Ah! I don't know. Where's Avada Kedavra? That's the one I remember. It just kills you, right? This is really bad. Oh, there we go. Avada Kedavra. There we go. Yeah, so you can't actually kill people with this wand, at least not directly, which is a pity. So yeah, certain weapons that you get from mods might not work, depending on how whoever wrote the mod and scripted it decided it would work. But as you can see, you can build a list of any number of weapons. Just remember, a knife kill always sets you back to the bottom. So if you put 500 weapons in, no one's ever going to get to the top or even halfway. All right, thanks for watching this tutorial. Have fun playing my game.